हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में लेसन 2 इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर को आगे कंटिन्यू करते हुए आज हम बात करेंगे एलिमेंट की। सो टिल नाउ वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट ट्रू सॉल्यूशन, सस्पेंशन एंड colloids. So these substances generally they are made up of two or more than two substances which are mixed together. So these substances we can say are the impure substances. But do pure substances really exist? Yes, then how? So, many of the substances, if we see around us, they are present in the pure form, and they are generally of two types. One is the elements. जितने भी हम आसपास अपने मेटल्स, नॉन मेटल्स या गैसेस जो हम देख रहे हैं, these are the elements and compounds which are made up of more than one type of elements. So अगर हम metals की अगर हम बात करें, so that may be Au, that is the gold, silver, copper, aluminium. So these are all elements and compounds. For example, glucose C6H12O6. So it is a formula for glucose. Water. So these are the compounds as it contains more than one type of element. So these are compounds, and like gold, silver, copper, aluminium, these are made up of only one type of atoms, so they are generally elements. So elements, these are the basic form of matter which cannot be further divided into simpler form by any chemical reactions. And as we have just talked about that, these elements, they exist in the form of metals, non-metals and metalloids. That means on the basis of their properties, they are divided into metals, non-metals and metalloids, and all of these are very useful for us. अब इन तीनों में क्या डिफरेंसेस है, इनको एक बार हम स्टडी करते हैं. सो मेटल्स, जैसे कि अगर हम स्कूल की बेल भी देखते हैं इस समय, क्योंकि समय ऐसा चल रहा है हम स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे, तो हम बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं स्कूल की बेल को, जिसका एक अलग ही साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो दैट मीन्स these metals, they produce a sound, as well as these metals, they are generally solid and lustrous, and non-metals, they are not lustrous. Now metals, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. इसलिए अगर आप किचन में देखेंगे तो आपके सभी जो यूटेंसिल्स हैं वो किसके बने हुए होते हैं? मेटल्स के. एंड नॉन मेटल्स, दे आर बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो अगर हम देखें कि नॉन मेटल्स मीन्स जो भी हमारे यूटेंसिल्स हैं किचन के, उनके जो हैंडल्स अगर हम देखें वो जनरली प्लास्टिक या लकड़ी के होते हैं, विच आर नॉन मेटल्स, सो दे आर बैड कंडक्टर, ताकि हम उसको ईजिली पकड़ सकें. थर्ड पॉइंट अगर हम देखें तो मेटल्स, दे आर जनरली डक्टाइल इन नेचर. डक्टिलिटी मीन्स कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर्स. एंड नॉन मेटल्स, दे आर जनरली नीदर malleable nor ductile, and malleability means can be drawn into sheets. So metals, they are malleable. Now next points, जैसा कि अभी मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको, सोनोरस. सोनोरस मीन्स प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड. तो जिस तरह से हमारी स्कूल की बेल साउंड प्रोड्यूस करती है. एंड नॉन मेटल्स, दे आर नॉन sonorous. And generally non-metals, they exist in liquid or gaseous forms, whereas metals, they are generally present in solid form. And what about metalloids? So these metalloids, they are the elements which are having intermediate properties between metals and non-metal. So they are known as metalloids, means they are having the property of both metal as well as non-metal. Example, boron, silicon and germanium. So students, we have studied about metals, non-metals and metalloids. So our first question is, what are elements and how they are different from mixtures? सो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि अभी हमने देखा कि हमारा आंसर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का अभी हमने इसको इसी वीडियो में हमने देखा भी था कि एलिमेंट क्या है. इट इज़ द प्योर सब्सटेंस दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ओनली सिंगल टाइप ऑफ एटम्स, एंड दीज आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स for all the rest of the matter in the world. And examples of the elements are like iron, oxygen, hydrogen, gold, helium, etc. So this is about element. And what about mixture? So mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined together. उनके बीच में कोई chemical combination नहीं होता. For example, like air, it is a mixture, and all solutions, they are generally mixtures. So our second question is, aluminium is used for making utensils used for cooking food. So which property of aluminium is being used here? So the property of aluminium is used that it is a good conductor of heat. So aluminium being a metal is a good conductor of heat. That is why it is used for cooking food. Now students, third question, can we use carbon to make wires for household usage? Why or why not? Explain. We cannot use carbon for making wires because first of all this carbon, it cannot be drawn into wires. That means it is not ductile, means it cannot be drawn into wires. Second point, we can also write. So first point will be it is not ductile. Second, we can also write that carbon being a non-metal, so it is a non-metal, so it is a bad conductor of electricity. So being a bad conductor of electricity, it cannot conduct electricity, cannot pass through these non-metals. So that means these two reasons can be written for which we cannot use carbon as to make wires for household usage. Third, define malleability and ductility. So malleability is means it can be beaten into sheets. So generally metals, they are malleable, can be beaten into sheets. And ductility means they cannot be drawn into, they can be drawn into wires. So ductility means these substances, generally metals, they are ductile and malleable. So ductile means can be drawn into wires and malleable means can be beaten into sheets. So these are the definition of these two words. Hope students this worksheet must be clear to you. Just enjoy doing these question answers and watch the complete video, and thank you for watching this video.